that's an introduction. So today I'm going to talk about, what was I going to talk about again? Oh right, I'm going to talk about homework, the thing every kid hates, especially me. Every day I'm at school, I get homework from my classes. I'm like, okay, I'm probably going to finish this, even though it's a little hard. I go home. I currently have a math assignment late, a couple geography things late, a literature assignment late, and I have a crap ton of composition stuff that I need to finish, so I'm stressed out. So you go home, you try and complete your homework, but this actually happened to me the other night. So I have math homework, and then it was like fractions or something, and I couldn't figure out the second thing. It was hard. And then, so I say, okay, I'm just gonna finish it on the bus. And I get up and I'm on the bus, and it takes me like 20 minutes and I barely get 10 points. And then I say, okay, I'm just going to finish it whenever I get into the gym. And then I go into the gym. Same thing happens. I finish at 56. I go into my first hour and I'm like, okay, well, I'll probably be able to do it here. Wrong. We played Nukem. Yeah, nobody misses out on Nukem, especially not me. Unless we're in the gym. We were in the gym, but I wasn't allowed to do my homework. So then I get to math class today. And then, now we have 3 assignments to do in math class. But thankfully, thank you, we only had to do 1 and I finished it during class. That's why I'm making this YouTube video. Because I have no social life. So I have a lot of homework. Also, so in band, I haven't turned in my drug test paper. That was due like 2 weeks ago. I know. I have a math assignment that I did not finish that was due today. And I'm going to do it over the weekend. I have a literature assignment that I was going to bring back after lunch, but I forgot because I was too stressed out with something that I forgot to do. I forgot to order my books for literature class that were due over 2 weeks ago, and they're not available through the library anymore. Until like the day before, whenever I can pay them to get it up front, which I am going to do. In geography, I have a paper that I need to finish. And I was supposed to finish it today while we were watching a video, but I didn't. But we're watching the video again, we're watching the same video tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna finish it then. I also have another paper that I didn't finish, and I was supposed to read the book. I didn't finish it. Probably gonna finish it over the weekend. I have a composition thing that is due tomorrow or due Monday, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it tomorrow. It's 3 different papers. In science, this is kind of unrelated to the video, but in science we just did this awesome thing. We are transferring saliva. See these? These are called quotation marks. That means it's not actual saliva. Saliva. So what we actually did was we got CPUP trays, whatever the heck that is, and like we put like 10 drops into A, and then put 3/4. We filled up B with 3/4, C half, D half of C. And then we went around to different places in the room and exchanged it with each other to model how fast a disease can spread. And then at the end, we got this little chemical, and then we put it into the water or CPUP, whatever it was, and then we just squirted it on there like a drop onto the other drop. And then if it turned pink, you had a cold. Some people out there were thinking I was going to say something really bad, but I wasn't. you had a cold or the flu or a disease. I don't know. You were turned into a zombie. That's what happened. You were turned into a zombie. And some people had it from the beginning. And I infected, not to brag, but I infected 3 people. I'm not going to say their names though, so get that out of your head. So my partners, they both were contaminated from the beginning, but it said that I wasn't, so I just assumed that I was because my partners that I drew from the same cup, I immediately assumed that I was with them, and I accidentally put stuff from the water from last hour or something, and I was, okay, I was something from the beginning, woo! And then also, another thing that happened was, whenever I put the bottle drop into each of my CPUP water, whatever it is, it like turned pink and then turned back into clear, which means I was lightly infected the whole time. Every single one of them. And A said that I didn't have a disease, but I did. I already told you about that. So back to homework. I'm not doing any homework tonight. See ya. Toodles!